Hello everyone, this is Jimmy Singh, broker, owner with Supermax Realty. In this video, I like to share some data and stats for our Greater Toronto area, especially for the month of December 2025 and the whole year end. So total sales in our Greater Toronto area, which has a population of 7 million plus people as per our real stats, the sales were 62,433, which are down 11.2% versus 2024. Last time sales this low was way back in 2000. In that year, we had in total sales of 60,783 when the pandemic hit at its peak. A lot of reports are out there saying Toronto has the lowest sales in past 25 years. And even if we counter all the GTA with a population of 7 million, last month we have only 3,697 sales despite multiple price drops in different property types, lower interest rate, and abundance of options for the buyers. I think it has to do with consumers' overall sentiment, economic and global volatility, and fear of losing job because of AI and other headwinds. And recent report by Building Industry and the Land Development Association in Ontario, along with Altus Group, says their sales is trending down for the last 22 months for new construction of condos and homes. And in December, across GTA, we had only 310 sales. Out of those, 150 were condos. And these sales are 46% down versus December of 2023. And new home sales are down 80% if we take 10-year average. Now coming to the numbers put forward by our Toronto Real Estate Board for the entire Greater Toronto area, which includes Toronto, entire Peel region, Durham region, and York region. So sales in total were 3,697, which are down 8.9% as compared to last year. And active listings, the supply, it grew 17.5%. And by the end of December, we had 17,005 listings for sale in the market. Average home price across GTA was little over 1,006,000, which is down 5.1%. Average days for a property to sell also have risen 13.1%, and it is sitting at 41 days to sell your property. And if I see sales in 416 Toronto area, year over year, detached sales actually have picked 10.4% because there's lot of demand of detached homes, single family homes in Toronto area, and they are not making more. Semis, the sales are down 10.9% in 416 area in Toronto. Townhouse sales are down 22.1%. Condo sales are down 6%. If I see outer region of Toronto, which is greater area or 905 area, we say, in those communities, detached sales are down 5.1%. Semi-detached sales are down 4.3%. Townhouse sales are down 22.6%, and condo sales 20.4%. So if you notice, in 905 outer areas, lot of investors were buying pre-construction townhouse and condos. Now since they are gone, those sales are down double digit. If I talk about prices, home prices in 416 Toronto area, detached prices are down 4.5% as compared to last December. Semi down 12.2% as compared to December of 2024. Townhouse prices in 416 area have risen 5.4% because of affordability, and a lot of people, instead of buying condos, they are going into those as a stepping stone, for the bigger space. Condo prices in 416 Toronto area is down 7.2% in December of 2025. In 905 area, Greater Toronto area, sales for detached are down 7%, for semi-detached 9.9%, townhouse prices are down 9%, and condominium sales prices are down 9.5%. So if you can see, folks, benchmark prices are trending lower since peak of 2022. And if I see the top 10 cities in GTA, how their prices are doing, you can see average price in Toronto right now is sitting at $986,542, which is down 4.6%, in December. If I talk about Mississauga average home price is sitting in December at $962,078. So both Toronto, Mississauga, which are the top, populous areas, their prices actually are down from million, and it is down 1.5% in Mississauga as compared to last December. In Brampton, average home price is sitting at $882,661, which is down 6.9%. Vaughan, average house price is sitting at $1,170,000, which is down 6.4%. Markham has shown resilience. The price is $1,187,000, which is up 0.1%. Oakville, average house price $1,344,000, is down minus 3.6%. Burlington, $995,000, it is down minus 0.5%. Oshawa, $729,243, which is down 5.2%. So during pandemic, there's a lot of rush of people from Toronto moving to Oshawa, and the market just went nuts that time. Richmond Hill, average home price is sitting at $1.2 million, which is down minus 14.1%. Clarington, another place which grew drastically in pandemic. House average price sitting in December was $779,000, down 12.3%. So if you see, all in all, out of 3,697 sales, majority were in Toronto, 1,363, in Mississauga, 333, in Brampton, 290, Vaughan, 194, Markham, 171, Oakville, 135, Burlington, 121, Oshawa, 117, Richmond Hill, 114, Clarington, 97. So folks, if you see the pattern of the sales with the supply increasing, I have no doubt that if you're a seller, you're waiting to sell your property in spring, you're going to have tremendous competition. And if I see, study the market, the consumer sentiment, I think it's going to be very volatile market this year with what's happening globally and even in Canada. Because Ontario has a very big auto sector and a lot of big, trucking sector, IT sector. There's a lot of headwinds out there. And I think when there is lack of confidence of people, though there's a lot of people sitting with money, it just fear overtakes them because they see the decline of prices. As per the recent stats from the new build home builders, industry land development also, for the last 22 months, prices are coming down. So what do you think is going to happen in 2026? In the meantime, if you have any questions in regards to real estate or want to sell your house or property across Greater Toronto area, give me a call. I've been selling real estate full time for the last 20 years. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.